What is going on? I am Mike, and this is All About Pressure Washing, where we talk all about pressure washing, all about soft washing, and all about the things that are going to make your business more successful. Today, we're going to review 3 products that were designed for graffiti removal. We are at an apartment complex that we do quite a bit of work for, and they have had someone come by and tag all along the building. So we're going to give 3 products a shot and see which one performs best. So this is not a paid promotion. We're not getting any money from any of the folks that manufacture these products or sell these products. And for that reason, we are not going to promote them or give the names or the brands. So this is a blind test, and we are going to see what the best results are. We've got 3 products that we're going to try. We're going to try each of these on a very similar type of spray paint on the same type of surface. So we're going to get a good idea how they work on a porous masonry surface. So let's go to it. All right, so the first product, it's a spray bottle. I got it at a hardware store, and it is specifically designed as a graffiti removal. Removes aerosol paint, enamel, lacquers, and more. We're supposed to spray it on, let it sit for about 5 minutes, and it says it's gonna do it in the first application. So let's give it a shot. And I can actually already see some of it working. All right, so we're gonna come back in about 5 minutes and then hit it with a pressure washer. So this is our second product. This says it works the first time as well. It is a pro strength graffiti removal. It's even got some graffiti tags on the front of the can. So it says to shake it up well, spray it on, let it sit, and then pressure wash after about 10 minutes. All right, so this is the third product that we're going to be using. We got this from a local supplier, and they had some pretty good results with it. I saw some before and after pictures. What they were working with was a lot more difficult than this. Again, this is a graffiti remover for masonry, brick, and rough surfaces. So this one is a 20 to 30 minute dwell time, and then pressure wash off. So I'm going to use this cool little thing. This is actually electric, and we're going to apply it. This is the first time I've used this little sprayer, and it's very cool.
Hey boys.
What's up? Yeah.
So you're gonna see if you guys could just pressure wash these. Like I got the pressure washer here.
Yeah.
Just spray them down for them too.
Hey, listen, film this guy. What's your name?
I'm Joe, man.
Joe?
Yes, sir.
Joe. Hey, I'm kind of gooey.
You're good, bud.
But Joe just interrupted our video. We're going to be on YouTube.
Awesome.
Who do you work for? Oh, you work for the apartment?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm the head maintenance supervisor.
All right. So as you know, we are removing all of the graffiti. How often does this happen?
Since I've been here, this is probably the second time I've seen it happen.
Okay.
This building isn't actually even as bad as near as the one over on 30.
Yeah.
It's just kids being dumb, doing dumb stuff.
Yeah.
So I'm glad we got people like you to be able to fix it for us.
I appreciate it. So how long do you think it's going to be before they re-tag?
Well, now with our new security system and detailed cops that I've got patrolling the area, I hope it doesn't happen again.
All right, because we're kind of hoping it does happen again, so we can come
Job
back.
security.
Yeah, job security. All right, man, I appreciate
Awesome.
you.
Yep.
After we apply this, I'm gonna have Mac
No
take
worries,
care of
guys.
it.
Thank you, man.
Yeah, hey, if you want to just throw them right over there by the truck. Cool, thanks. All right, so we are waiting around for this stuff, and the proper dwell time for each of them should be about done, right, Mac?
Yes, sir.
About, what, 3-4 more minutes?
That's about it, yeah.
All right, perfect. All right, let's go. Okay. Wow, I like this one. Okay. Woo. Dang. good.
All right, hold on. You know me.
He's a perfectionist.
Yes.
All right. So this one, it seemed like it was coming off a lot quicker, but I still see a lot of residue, so we're probably gonna have to hit this one more time. Now, we are not gonna have complete perfection with graffiti removal. We're gonna do as best we can, but this is a porous surface, and that paint is gonna dive in. There's only so much you can do, so do not overpromise and underdeliver. Make sure the customer understands what they should expect once we're done. But we are going to apply the chemical one more time, and we're going to apply the chemical that does the best in this trial. All right, product number 3. Okay, it seemed to be working a lot better down there. Okay, so this product, it does really well on the very light paint, but when you're starting to get thicker and thicker paint, it is not working nearly as well as the other products. All right, let's go. All right, so now it's doing good. All right, so we did the 3 products. Each of them did a pretty good job. As you can see, one application, proper dwell time, a little bit of pressure, a little bit of time, and it has done a very good job. You can see over there too, and that is almost non-existent. The one over there, which I probably can't see, we used the really strong, relatively expensive product that we got, and it did a good job on the lighter paint. It did not do so well on the thicker paint, so we're gonna have to reapply. But we decided that we're gonna reapply with that 3rd product because it did have the most impact on the paint. If you're gonna use this one, expect to do a couple applications, and I think it probably is the best bet. The other 2 are great, they're cheap, they're available everywhere, and they did a good job. So we're just gonna reapply everywhere, we're gonna hit everything again, and then we're gonna go around to all of the other graffiti on the property and clean it. And that's the problem with kids today. No artistic integrity. Like, look at this. They're not even trying to draw something. I can't read what they're trying to say. Like, if you're gonna do it right. And that's a wrap. So we tested 3 products today. All 3 products did a pretty good job. The first 2, store-bought, local stores, not from a chemical supplier, not from a pressure washing supplier, and they did an exceptional job on a lighter coating of spray paint. Multiple applications would be needed in order to make them more effective for a much thicker concentration of paint on a masonry surface. The 3rd product that we tested was from a local pressure washing distributor. They have an online store and you can buy this product from them. It did a very good job. The dwell time was a little bit longer. Multiple applications will be required with thicker, more concentrated paint on these surfaces, but it is to be expected. This is a great add-on service for your pressure washing business. Graffiti removal is highly profitable. I think that you should definitely look into some of these products and add this to your repertoire, because the more services that you can add, the more money that you can make and the busier that you stay. All right, I hope this video helped. I'm gonna leave my email below. If you guys are interested in these products and what they are, hit me up and I'll let you know what they are and you can go and buy them. And if you're one of the companies whose products these are, the email's below. Maybe we can talk. All right, guys, have a great day and we will see you next time.